how to post classwork on Google Classroom. Now, classwork is a bit different to an announcement, as an announcement just gives student information and access to materials, whereas classwork allows you to check and see which students have actually completed a task and lets them actually submit either answers or worksheets. Students can also upload images from their phones if they have completed their work by paper and you want them to upload a photograph of the completed work. To access the ability to post classwork on Google Classroom, first thing, make sure you are on Google Chrome. Make sure you are signed into your school's HighLearn account. Once you have done them two things, you can click the grid in the top right corner, get onto Google Classroom. All your classes will load up. The class or year group you wish to set the work for, select that class. For this video, I'm going to select the demonstration class. You will notice here's the post I did from the previous video. This is an announcement. Students can engage with the announcement, but they won't be able to upload their own work to it. If you want the students the ability to upload their own work or answer questions and be able to mark that, then you would need to create some classwork. To do that, if you notice at the top, you have 4 tabs. You can select the classwork tab, and you have to click the plus create button. You can create either an assignment, which would be a worksheet where you want the students to complete an actual physical worksheet, or you can upload a question post where students can answer some questions. I will do the question post for this video. You can title the post on whatever you want to call the post. So I'll just do basic maths questions. In the instructions, I can then write the questions I want. Question 1 can be 1 plus 1. Question 2 can be 3 plus 4. Obviously, I expect these questions to be a lot harder at a secondary school. So you can populate this with a few questions. Students will be able to answer these questions. I can give some instructions. I can attach any supporting material. So if I had a supporting PowerPoint, I could select File. I could link to a website where I could paste in the link to a website here. I could attach a YouTube video should I need a video. You can just search for videos if you're on YouTube, and you can just link in a video that would be there for students to go on, be able to watch. Once that's done, you can select how you want the students to answer the question with a written answer or multiple choice. You can select which class this is posted to. So right now I can select to be demonstration class. If the same questions are going to be used for multiple classes, you can select multiple classes. For example, if I had this be delivered to multiple year 10 classes, I could select all the year 10 classes that would have these questions and do that once in the same post. I could select whether this would be a grade. So if it's a 3-mark question, 2-mark question, or the total marks would be 10 or 100, or I can make it ungraded if it's not going to be a graded piece of work. I could schedule when this would be due. I can put this under a topic, so I can create a topic called basic maths, and that would be now categorized under a topic of basic maths. I can allow students to be able to edit their answers once they submit, or I don't have to have them edit the answers. So I will let the students be able to change their answers. Students can reply to each other. Basically means that students will be able to see each other's answers. If you do not want them to see each other's answers, just select this top box off, and you can click ask. Once the post is there, you'll be able to see the questions. You'll be able to see how many people have submitted it and how many students have been assigned. Because there are no students in this class, it's assigned to 0 students. and because no one has submitted the work, it's 0 submissions. If there was submissions, you'll see a list of students' names on the left-hand side with their responses, and you'll also be able to give them a comment and a grade to their work.